Tony has a gift for vlogging, captivating audiences with charisma and confidence. Tony is a natural in front of the camera, and it's just a matter of time before Tony becomes YouTube's next biggest star. Except we're not talking about Tony. Confused yet? Meet Tony, or more specifically, Tony's father, who is, yes, named Tony. In fact, Tony's real name is actually Marie Tony, a combination of her mom's name and her father's. And today, we're handing the camera over to Papa Tony as he takes on vlogging for the very first time. Stick around, because I think you'll be impressed with the results.
Guys, good morning. Baby,
what a beautiful morning!
Si Mama. Si Papa.
Maraming.
Ayaw niya daw maligo sa dagat kasi maraming
jellyfish.
Oh, jelly ace sabi mo kanina. Sabi niya kanina, jelly ace.
I'm here in Boracay Beach.
There's so many.
Many very naka-bikini.
Yeah. Maraming jelly ace. Mama, kagat ka ng jelly ace.
Itong dadala mo. Ikaw mo din ako.
Baka daw mag-ano pa so kagwapuhan niya. Ay, alat lang kasi mo. Ano, mag-video-video ka na. Oh, ayan oh. Digdi ka mag-video-video pa oh. Ayan oh.
Dapat naharap yung beach.
Harap siya oh. Ayan oh, harap sa kanya. Ayan oh. Ayan oh, video-video kayo ni Mama oh.
Video-video kayo, Ma.
Ay, video-video.
Video kayo.
Mas kailayo mo yan pa. Ganyan oh. Kita kayong dalawa oh. Yan. Hi, go. Ay.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, go. Wedding anniversary.
Happy anniversary, go.
Magsalita ka lang pa, nakikita ka dyan.
Oh.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Wala akong masabi.
Alam mo, dito namin ginanap ang aming anniversary sa Boracay Beach.
Anniversary tag na yan.
O, hindi man.
Wala na.
I'm happy to my birthday. Advance.
Akala ko birthday. Anniversary pa lang.
Oh, anniversary and happy birthday.
So it is a beautiful morning here. This is our first morning here in Boracay. We got here yesterday about 11 o'clock. Of course, we were checking into the hotel and getting settled in and getting Tony's parents settled in. But we just had the breakfast with at our resort here, and it is a beautiful morning. This is stunning. It's not very hot yet. It's just the beginning of the day. It's about 9 a.m. and what can I tell you? This view is absolutely amazing. This is what you live for. This is Station 2 in Boracay, and this is actually our resort right here. I'll just show it to you real quick. We got the family here.
So, we passed the ano?
What?
We will go there. Our room is there. We pass it.
Oh, it's not down here?
No.
Okay, I guess we're going this way. Anyways, the clouds are in. It's cool. There's a cool breeze blowing. I'm going to suggest it's probably about 24 degrees. It's really quite cool. Papa Dagalia is vlogging here himself. He has become a vlogger. We've given him the GoPro.
Yan, nakikita mo ba ikaw? Oh, yan o, yan o, yan, ganyan ka. Vlog ka, magsasalog ka.
Wala akong masabi dahil ako ay nandito na sa Boracay Beach. I'm very happy.
A new vlogger has been born. Like and subscribe.
Pagkatapos nadapla.
Ay, hindi.
Gusto nangangarap kang maging vlogger, ngayon na wala kang masabi.
No, this is close to the uwi na tayo. Dito ka lang.
Uwi na tayo.
Oh, halika na.
Hindi na tayo magtatampisaw.
Mamaya.
Mama, kukunin niya muna yung gamit niya. Tapisaw ka, ganyan sa ulog mo.
Masalis.
Ay, abo niya ganyan lang pala suot niya.
Pwede ka mag-swimming sa dagat? Hindi mag-swimming ganito. Ano mo? Mag-swimming ka ba ba?
Sa lahat ng aking mga kaibigan dyan sa Bicol, Ay, ako ay nandito na sa Boracay Beach.
Wawawi.
Matagal ko nang pangarap, ngayon lang ako nakarating.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Salamat, Lord.
Salamat, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Payusing nini.
Tagal yan ang pangarap.
Kaya lang, mga kaibigan,
Mga kaibigan. Huwag ko talaga. Ikaw ba yan?
Mga kaibigan.
mga kaibigan, ang masabi ko lang sa sunod, sa ngayon na mga
Ano, wala na.
Wala na.
ngayong panahon ng nadating na eleksyon, huwag mong iboto ang mga korap. Dahil hindi naasis ang Pilipinas.
Iwan pa sa duwa. Duterte tsaka si BBM. Iwan pa si Duterte tsaka si BBM.